This is Laura Riddle, librarian at the Southwest Mississippi Community College Library. The end of the semester is fast approaching, and I want to invite you to come by and see what's new. We have recently added over 280 books to our collection. We have fiction, humor, mystery, drama from authors such as Fannie Flagg, P.D. James, Jan Karan, and Ann Perry. Also, we have some classics from William Faulkner, Agatha Christie, and even Alfred Hitchcock. Now, over 100 of these books that we have added cover nonfiction classifications such as religion, philosophy, leadership, finances, sports, health, gardening, and cooking. We have biographies of actors, explorers, presidents, everything from Mississippi's own Cela Ward to Jackie Gleason, Daniel Boone, and George Washington to Zachary Taylor. Come by and browse through the new books before they are integrated into our larger collection that we have available for both students and faculty to check out.